Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got the Lookfantastic Beauty Vault for 2024. It was released a couple of days ago and it retails for £150. It has a value of over £700 and it contains 14 full-size products. If you're a subscriber to the Lookfantastic monthly beauty box, then you'll be able to get a discount off this vault. If you're interested in this for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description. Down there you'll see all my discount codes and offers to other website, and if I've got any giveaways running, you'll find it all listed down there. So yeah, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So let's get on to showing you then what's inside. So following on from the advent calendars, the grooming one and the beauty one, the theme, so it's silver and navy all inside. We've got a top section there with a lot of goodies in, and we've got a drawer down the bottom there as well. Woo! There. Hopefully you can see that. I think this is really nice actually. It reminds me of like an old album case that I used to have anyway. Alright then, I know a few of you are wondering, and I posted up when it was first launched, because Lookfantastic has made a mistake. On their website it states that this Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, it says it was 15 mils, but it's not. It's the full size. I think it's 250. It's the big whopper, 240. So it's the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And this one is worth £48, I believe. Yeah, it is £48. This is a gorgeous cream. We've seen a lot of it in advent calendars this year, but we see the little mini versions. But it just smells amazing, reminds me of summer. It's just thick and lovely, leaves my skin feeling and smelling amazing. Yeah, it's just, oh, I can smell it. It contains coffee and guarana. Oh, see, it's spilling out the edges there. I'll just use that. And to firm and tighten up your skin as well. I've got one by the side of the bed. I use it before I go to bed at night. So yeah, so we've got full-size Bum Bum Cream there. We've got ELOM. This is a cleanser, 100 mils there. It removes waterproof makeup, hydrates skin up to 12 hours use, and is non-comedogenic. Comes with a muslin cloth, a huge one. So you've got a muslin cloth there, and this is the balm. Now the scent is not for everyone. I don't particularly like this scent. It smells of cloves, but that has no reflection on the actual product. The product is really, really good. Plus, as it's a cleanser, you wash off and then you put your skincare or whatever on afterwards. It doesn't bother me. But yeah, it is quite clovey. I think it's cloves anyway. It says the first step to a radiant skin, a multi-benefit 5-in-1 product containing a unique signature blend of 4 aromatic oils to cleanse, hydrate, tone, exfoliate and remove every trace of makeup. Used with the 100% cotton muslin cloth included. And this cleansing balm retails for £65. Next we've got a lipstick, and this is Le Lipstick by Swede. And this is in shade Nude Pink, and it retails for £22. It's a hint of a tint basically. It gives a really nice sheen and a little slight bit of colour. Some more for your sort of natural, neutral looking lips. So yeah, so there's that. Next up we've got ELEMIS. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Oil. It's a hydrating facial oil. There's 15 mils here and it retails for £69. This is a really, really lovely oil. I've used this many times. It's a really nice lightweight oil. It's quite watery. I'll show you what I mean now. Hello, can you see? Whoops, see, it's all dripping already. But it's really good because I'm not a huge fan of really thick, goopy type of facial oils. I tend to wear facial oils at night, more so coming into the winter months. So I've mentioned this many times before, but I don't like to go to bed like with a really sticky, horrible face so that my hair and pillowcases and everything gets stuck on it. So I love it when I find an oil that is just easy to use. This one is easy to use. It smells gorgeous anyway. I love the Pro Collagen range, the moisturizers, the day creams, night creams, and this oil is just perfect. It's really lightweight, it really hydrates the skin and it doesn't leave it feeling tacky. So no, it's a good one. I like that. Then we've got Augustinus Bader. This is the rich cream and there's 15 mils here. And this retails for £71. And it just tells you how to use it on the back there. It's a really lovely rich moisturiser. There is a lighter version in this as well. But yeah, we've got the original rich cream. So coming into the winter months when you probably find that your skin changes due to the season change and like heating on in the house and things like that. So sometimes our skins can get a little bit more dehydrated in the winter months, and so yeah, so this type of cream is perfect, especially if you've got dry skin anyway. So there's that. What else we got? Is this an eyeliner? We got McGRATH Labs, and this is FetishEYES Mascara. Oh, it's in Xtreme Black and it retails for £29. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see anything that is black. It's really hard with a ring light. It's so dark here. It's really, really dark. I've got all the lights on in this room just to help with recording. But yeah, so you got a nice big one there. I can't tell you anything about it. I haven't tried it. And yeah, you just don't know, do you? Our eyelashes are all different from each other. What I might like, you might hate. We have got Grow Gorgeous. This is Intense Hair Growth Serum for fine and thinning hair. So perfect for me. There's 60 mils here and it retails for £45. Woo! I've got a bit of a collection going behind me of hair serums. I use them a couple of times a week. I don't use them every night. I use them just before I'm due to wash my hair. Some of them say, you know, that you can apply the serum in your hair, let it dry, and you can go about your day. But my hair, my natural hair up the top here, I've got tape-in extensions, but they're mainly in the middle of my head, but all the top is all my natural. In the morning, I just look like a greasy mess. I don't use it every night, unfortunately. But yeah, I've tried this one before. In all honesty, I can't tell you what I really think about it. I can't tell you what I think about the others either, because my hair does grow. I do have sprouts of hair growing all the time, but I've got hormonal problems. I've just had blood tests done just to see if there's anything out of whack, because I'm noticing my hair is thinning more at the top here, so it is more like androgenic. I've got polycystic ovary syndrome, but then I'm on medication to control high testosterone, so I shouldn't really have problems with thinning hair. So I don't know what's going on, but yeah, going back to this and the others, I can't say, oh, it's amazing, you have to buy it. I use it, but I can't really tell a difference. Maybe if I used it every night, I might be able to that way. And I think the last item at the top here, we've got something for your lashes. This is by Grande Lashes MD by Grande Cosmetics. It's a lash enhancing serum. This is quite pricey, I think. I'll have a look now. But yeah, it's a clear serum and it's a 3-month supply here. It says longer, thicker looking lashes in 4 to 6 weeks. 91% saw longer looking lashes. 94% saw healthier looking lashes. And it's won the Glamour 2021 Beauty Awards. Oh my gosh. Because my hormones are all over the place. Although saying that, I have just started Mounjaro. And it's not necessarily for weight loss, although I'm hoping it will help with that, because I have got a couple of stone to lose. I want to, I need to, but I also love my food. The main reason I'm on it is to help balance my hormones. I've got something called insulin resistance. It's part of having polycystic ovary syndrome, and it's just got worse the older I've got, unfortunately. And yeah, and I think that could be the cause of my hair loss as well. I've been on it for about 5 weeks now, and if you want me to do a video about Mounjaro, I honestly thought I was going to quit it the first couple of weeks. I hated it, and I'm dreading going up a dose because the side effects are awful. The most horrific stinking burps that make anyone around me want to throw up. It's not good. It is not good, especially if you're quite a social person like myself. It's not good. But if you'd like me to do a video, an honest video about it, I'm mainly on it for health reasons, but also weight loss, which would be quite exciting as well. But if you want to hear about it, then let me know. But if you don't, then I won't bother. But yeah, so getting back to this serum, which is I go off on one, I know, I'm really sorry, but I can't grow eyelashes. I have got eyelashes, but they're so thin and fine, and because I wonder if it's to do with my hormone issues. I've also got an underactive thyroid, and that can cause hair loss issues as well, so I don't know whether it's all connected. I have tried serums in the past and I haven't noticed any difference. Yeah, maybe I should just try it again now that I'm on this Mounjaro. I've had some amazing results health-wise. Yeah, I've had some really shocking health results, which is brilliant. My blood sugars have come down is one of them because they were pre-diabetic. Oh, anyway, let's move on. We've got a palette. I'm excited about this. This is Iconic London Multi-Use Cream Blush Bronze and Highlight Palette. Yeah. I'm just looking at the price of the palette and I forgot to tell you that this Grande Cosmetics serum for your eyelashes retails for £62. So I thought it was a pricey one. This palette retails for £48. I love those colours. They are so good. So you can mix and match bronze, contour, highlights. Yeah, they're really, really nice. Okay, let's do some swatches. Shall I move this back a little bit there? Okay, so these are the bronzy ones. So they're very, very creamy. I'll show you what it looks like to blend out a bit. Yeah, they're very, very creamy. There. And then I do the blush. They're pretty, aren't they? Although I do love an orange, I think I prefer the pinky one. And the highlight's nice as well. Yeah, I can't wait to give that a go. See what that is like on my skin. It's very sheeny, so I wonder how that will settle on my skin. Will it stay put? I suppose if I like put some powder over the top of it, it'll just keep it all in place, isn't it? So yeah, I'm looking forward to giving that a go. That is really pretty. So if you've tried it before, let me know what you think. So it's an Iconic London Multi-Use Cream Blush Bronze and Highlight Palette. Next we've got something for your hair. This is Colour Wow and this is Dream Coat. Supernatural spray. It magically transforms texture. Amazing humidity proofing powers. And there's 200 mils here. Right, you're not going to be able to see it because of the ring light. This retails for £27. You can't see it. So when I first tried this, I didn't have much luck with it at all. It just didn't suit my hair. I've got very thin, fine, straight hair. Now I've got hair extensions in my hair. It might work. I've got a few of these lying around already, so I will give it a go to see if it suits my hair better. But then I have got my natural, thin, fine hair on top of my extensions. Yeah, I don't know. Finally, award-winning, a humidity sealant stops hair from becoming a hot mess in even the highest humidity. Activated by heat, lasts through 3 to 4 shampoos. So you've got Dream Coat by Colour Wow. We've got something wrapped up. Oh, this is 111 Skin from Harley Street, London. These are the Firmin Concentrate Ampoules. There is 7 2ml in here. It contains tripeptide complex, works to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and laxity, 20% improvement of skin firmness, 30% increase in skin viscoelasticity, what the heck, diglucosyl, garlic acid, brightens, soothes and nourishes the skin. Alright then. So this is a really nice brand. It's a very pricey brand as well. Oh, it's what information on the back here. It's a 7-day treatment program designed to tighten the skin. The Firmin Concentrate works to lift, firm and contour through a blend of active ingredients specifically formulated to address prematurely aging skin. To use the whole ampule, and to use, you can either use it day or night, but in order to get the most of it, you have to use them for the full 7 days. Look how smart this little set is. Woo! Information booklet. Oh, what is this? And I've got this. What's that? This is what they look like. I'm assuming you snap that off and then you can put that on the top then and use it that way instead of pouring it on your hand. I don't know. Place the opener onto the ampoule and break away from the body. Yeah, so it's just to protect because obviously it's glass. I've just had a look. This little kit is worth £150. That's what it retails for, sorry. £150. That is the cost of the actual vault. That's That's mad. I know it'd be pricey because their sheet masks are like £25 per sheet mask. Thinking special occasion, isn't it? It's no point doing it for the heck of it. Just like, oh yeah, fancy having firm skin by Saturday. So I'm going on holiday in a couple of weeks' time, so I might use it then on the week leading up. I'm going to save it for that so that my face looks younger on holiday. There we got a facial mask, and this is by Rodel, and this is Snake Oxygenating and Cleansing Bubble Mask. Love a bubble mask. To freeze and smooth, deep cleansing charcoal sheet mask enriched with O2 bubbles. This is so much fun. I've tried this before, and I've tried a few other bubble ones as well. I've got quite a few videos of me doing bubble masks a couple of years ago on here. This detoxifying bubble mask generates O2 bubbles to remove dirt, dead skin cells and excess oil, revealing a brighter looking complexion. Purifying bamboo charcoal deeply cleanses and unclogs pores for fresher, smoother looking skin, whilst a rich blend of collagen, ceramide, vitamins A and E and peptides leave it revitalised. If you're interested in seeing any of my bubble mask reviews, if you just type in Diaryofabeautygeek bubble mask, and then it should come up then. But yeah, they were filmed quite a while ago, but they're just really funny. I basically scared my neighbour in one of them. Next up we've got ESPA, and this is Positivity Bath and Body Oil, aromatherapy oil to uplift and inspire. There's 100 mils here. Create an air of optimism with this happy bath and body oil and wave negativity goodbye. Harnessing the potency of aromatherapy, this spirit-lifting combination of jasmine, gardenia and rose geranium provide a burst of joy, while the confidence and vibrancy of bergamot and sweet orange are a fragrant reminder to focus on the positives. That's what it looks like. I've received this a few times in different boxes and advent calendars. Oh, it's just so nice. I haven't got a bath, or else, oh, I would love this. I do really miss a bath. Oh, we took it out about 2 years ago. I tend to put anything that I receive for a bath, I keep them for my feet. As I've got a few of these already, I'm going to pass that on as a little Christmas gift. And then lastly, we've got ELEMIS, and this is Hydra Veil Hydrating Primer. I haven't had this for a long time. We did see it a lot in beauty boxes in the past, and Lookfantastic, we sometimes used to get the little pot of it. This is a really nice primer. This is a gel primer. Lift it up there. Can you see? Hopefully you can see the reflection to see that it's a gel, like a jelly. I'll just show you on my hand. Look, I've got quite a bit there. So it's literally jelly. It feels gorgeous on the skin. There, I've just put too much. My hand's gonna look soaking wet. I've got loads on there, but just to give you an idea of what it looks like on your skin before you put your foundation on. Create a smooth, hydrated skin finish with Hydra Veil's unique self-leveling gel formula. This innovative primer minimises the appearance of pores and helps protect against dryness, providing the optimal base for your makeup. To create the perfect canvas, apply before foundation using an ELEMIS foundation brush. So yeah, so we've got a face primer, and those are all the products inside this year's Lookfantastic Beauty Vault. The cost of the vault is £150. It has a value of over £700, and it contains 14 full sizes. I'm really excited about this £150 7-day Ampoules set. Really excited about that. The Iconic palette is gorgeous as well. I know I like the ELEMIS cream, the Bum cream, the Grow Gorgeous, the serum. Yeah, it'll go straight by my bed. LOM Cleanser is gorgeous. I just don't like the smell. The Grande Lashes, the lash serum, I'll probably pass that on because I just don't think they work for me. And the Colorware as well. So there's a lot of products that we have seen in beauty boxes and advent calendars before. So I don't think there's a lot of new type products there. The only thing that stands out is this one and the Iconic palette, and maybe the McGRATH mascara. Is only good value if you're going to use the products inside. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you get one for yourself? Or are you thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.